I don't know if you have heard of mental maintenance. That a man has to maintain his woman's mental health. So be thinking that it's about mass, like that anything is mad in aura, anything is mass. Yeah? It's per head, right? It's per head, guy. You guys to maintain your woman's mental health because I feel like women they more prone to their head being fucked with. I just feel. And maybe it's because women na the way, while man na the will naturally. Because guy, like from the people where they beat or almost where they assault young children, their maids, right? Underage maids, like say they be their mates. Obviously a mad woman. A normal woman in society, but her head is mad. Okay, then see this stuff about this lady at the MLB baseball thing. Like, na per head, though. Don't know why I dey recommend make men they smack their woman butt more. I feel like it's a large part of mental maintenance, right? Not that you should just now be smacking her, smack with. If your efforts are now being, if you're now having to overdo whatever you are doing, then fuck that, right? If you're not just every time you're now press, like it's not like you have now spoiled the button of, like, you know what I'm saying? In there a bit worrying, but not just the thing we did for this life. This life not per head, yeah. And so many women they mad. Me, I'm okay. It's not lost on me that me where they talk shit on social media. They talk say people they mad. So obviously the solution is stronger men. Yeah. And because women are targeted like mad, like products are targeted at them, body rearrangement things are targeted at them. So many mad products that fuck with their mental health are targeted at them. So many pressures are targeted at them. No, they listen to waiting the whole world they talk. Oh guy, I don't find out say the only thing will be problem now this world now waiting you do with anger. No do anything with anger. If you have to do something, do it, but don't do anything with anger. And when you do something, anger is a dirty emotion. When you do something with anger, you don't fuck up. You are a child if you do something with anger. Any other thing you do, you be professor or something. You know what I'm saying? Your call. So, women get the matrix fucks with women's head so much, fucks with their standards, fucks with their expectations so much. So the men guys they strong. No, they follow social media people, they talk shit. So you know get your own shit, like your own values and your own strong. When your values they shaped by society, it's a mess.